Hey everybody, I just wanted to come on really quickly and say hello. I'm kind of in the middle of getting ready right now. I usually have a video for you on Mondays, usually a what's for dinner or cook with me. I don't this week. The content that you saw on my channel last week was filmed most of it was filmed prior to everything that's going on in our country right now, and because I kind of pre-record usually a week or two in advance the videos that I release. So yeah, I just wasn't feeling it. That just wasn't where my heart was, and I just wasn't up for doing like a cook with me. Like, who cares? Right? Like, who cared last week about that stuff? I know I didn't. And then also on top of it, my daughter graduated high school. So I was trying to get her through that with everything that was going on. So it just didn't happen. There's no video today. I would have loved to have been able just to use the community tab to let my viewers know, the people that watch me usually. But I don't have 1,000 subscribers yet, so I can't take advantage of that yet. And I cannot wait until I can. So I wanted to let the people know that we're looking for a video today, that there isn't one. I am going to do, I think, a Trader Joe's haul. I plan on going to Trader Joe's tomorrow if that works out anyways. And so I'll be doing a Trader Joe's haul for you on Wednesday. And then Friday, of course, my hubby and I are going live at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for another Name That Tune. We'll be giving away a $50 Target gift card. We're going to be giving away, or we're going to be entering people for showing up, for staying all the way through. There's going to be trivia questions about my channel that you can get entries for. And then, of course, whoever names the 10 tunes that we do, he plays his guitar. Whoever names those first live gets an entry as well. So look for that Friday night at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And know that I'm thinking about everybody, and oh, I'll get emotional. It's been an emotional time, right? Like, seriously, you know. Anyways, you guys have a wonderful week, and please look for my haul on Wednesday and Name That Tune on Friday. I'll see everybody soon. Bye-bye.